Hi there, friends! Welcome, welcome! Are you ready to count with me? Let's jump, clap, dance, and shout! We'll count from 1 all the way to 20. Let's find out! Stomp your feet and wiggle your nose. It's time to count, here it goes. 1, 2, tie your shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, feeling great. 9, 10, do it again. Yay, you're doing great. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's keep counting. Are you ready? You bet. 11, 12, jingle the bells. 13, 14, jump like a queen. 15, 16, sweet and clean. 17, 18, jelly bean machine. 19, 20, that's plenty. Let's count together, super fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay, you did it! Great job, little counter. You're number 1. Counting to 20 is so much fun. Come back soon, and we'll count some more. Shapes, colors, letters, and so much in store.